Hello everyone, today I'll introduce how to install OceanBase by using Docker. So first, let's check our system information. You can see that I'm using Linux 3.10.0. Then we install Docker first, because I'm using Docker to install OceanBase. Before you start, you have to make sure that you have Docker installed on your machine. And now, let's start Docker. We can see that running this command will not give back any information, so we have to check Docker's status by using this command. Now we can see Docker is running. And let's pull OceanBase Docker image. We can see that we're pulling the latest version of Docker image, and you can also specify an OceanBase version. Now we run an instance by using the image we just pulled. We can see the container ID is given back. And it may take maybe 2 to 5 minutes to get OceanBase ready. Before we go to the next step, let's check Docker's log to make sure that OceanBase is ready. Boot success. We're done. And now let's connect to OceanBase. We have OB client and OB MySQL script packaged in OceanBase Mirror. And now we're actually using the OB MySQL script to connect with OceanBase. And I'm connecting to OceanBase with the system with the SYS tenant. I'm using the root user. And now since you connect to OceanBase successfully, you can try out some OceanBase circles. Enjoy your travel. Enjoy your OceanBase experience. And that's all for today. Bye bye.